Hi, welcome to Kauserwise channel. This is the continuation video of dividend policy. Now let's get into the video. Look at the problem. Details regarding three companies are given below. A Limited, B Limited, C Limited. Okay, they have given some information for three different companies. That is R, K, E. R refers to return on investment. Okay, and K refers to cost of capital. E refers to earnings per share. Okay, these are the three informations given for A Limited, B Limited and C Limited. With this information, they are asking you to calculate the value of equity shares of each of the companies when dividend payout ratio is 30%, 60%, 0% and 100% by using Walter's model. Okay, and the second one is comment on the results drawn. Okay, so we are going to calculate market value per equity share when dividend payout ratio is 30%, 60%, 0% and 100%. Okay, for three different companies. First, let us see the calculation for A Limited. Look at the solution. First, we are going to find out the value of an equity share for A Limited under four different options: 30% payout, 60% payout, 0% payout and 100% payout. Okay, so what is the formula to find out the market value per equity share? See the formula for market price per equity share. D, dividend per share, plus R, rate of return on investment divided by K, cost of capital, into E, earnings per share, minus D, dividend per share divided by K, cost of capital. Now look at the problem. Look at the problem. For A Limited, they have given R, that is return on investment, K, cost of capital and E, earnings per share. Only one information is missing, that is D. D refers to dividend per share. Okay, so how to calculate D? There is a formula to find out D, that is earnings per share into payout ratio. Here we have four different options, no? So based on that, you can calculate D for each and every option. Okay, the first one is 10 rupees into 30%, that is the value of D. And second one, 10 into 60%, 10 rupees into 0%, 10 rupees into 100%. Okay, so this is the formula to find out D for four different options, okay, for three different companies. So after finding D, then you can simply substitute the formula to find out market value per share for four different options for three different companies. Now let us see the solution. See the solution. First, we are going to find out D for four different options. Okay, because we have different options, no? So D will be calculated based on the earnings per share. So earnings per share is 10 rupees, no? So on 10 rupees, what is the payout ratio according to the first option? 30%. So 30% on earnings per share is D, dividend. How much? Rupees 3. So rupees 3 is the dividend according to first option. According to the second option, 60%, no? So D is equal to earnings per share is 10 rupees into 60%. How much? Rupees 6. And the next one is 0% payout. So earning per share is 10 rupees, no? So dividend is 0%. So 0% on 10 rupees is 0. See the last option, 100% payout. That is the earning per share is 10 rupees, no? 100% is dividend. Okay, so now we calculated D for four different options. Now we can simply substitute the formula to find out value of an equity share according to four different options. Look at the problem. For A Limited, they have given everything. R is equal to 15%, no? 15 by 100, 0.15. K is equal to 10%, that is 10 by 100, you will be getting 0.10. And E is 10 rupees. Okay, now simply substitute the formula. D value just now we calculated. Now substitute the formula to find out market value per share. See the formula for market price per equity share. D, dividend per share, plus R, rate of return on investment divided by K, cost of capital, into E, earnings per share, minus D, dividend per share divided by K, cost of capital. Now look at the problem. Now simply substitute the formula to find out market value per equity share, that is P. P refers to market value per equity share is equal to D. D is 3 rupees, no. 3 plus R. R is rate of return. So rate of return is 15%. So 0.15 divided by K. K is 10%, no. So 10 by 100 you will be getting 0.10 into E. E refers to earnings per share is 10 rupees. So 10 minus D. D is 3 rupees. 3 divided by K. K is 10%, that is 0.10. Now simplify the equation to find out P. Okay, then 3 plus 10.5, 13.5 divided by 0.110. You will be getting rupees 135. So this is the market value per share according to the first option, that is D is 30% of payout. Okay, earning per share 10 rupees, on that 30% is 3 rupees. If the D is 3 rupees means the market value per share will be rupees 135. In the same way, we need to find out market value per share according to 4 different alternatives. Okay, now let us see the calculation for second option, that is 60% payout. D value is 6 rupees, no. Substitute the formula to find out market value per share. So P is equal to, D is 6 rupees. 6 plus 0.15 by 0.10 into 10 minus 6 divided by 0.10. So 12 divided by 0.10 is equal to rupees 120. Okay, so this is the market value per share according to this option, that is 60% payout. Okay, look at the next option. D is 0. Okay, substitute the formula. D is 0, no. So 0 plus 0.15 divided by 0.10 into 10 minus 0 divided by 0.10. See, 0.15 divided by 0.10 into 10, you will be getting 15 divided by 0.10. The answer is rupees 150. So this is the market value of per equity share. Now let us see the calculation for the last option, that is 100% payout. See the last calculation. Here D is 10 rupees, no. So 10 plus 0.15 divided by 0.10 into 10 minus 10 divided by 0.10. So 10 minus 10, you will be getting 0. If you multiply with 0, then the entire value will become 0. So 10 divided by 0.10. The answer is rupees 100 per share. Look at the problem. So far we have calculated market value per share for A Limited under 4 different options. Okay. Now the second question is comment on the results drawn. Now see the solution. Look at the solution. Out of the 4 options, which is the highest market value per equity share? 135, 120, 150, 100 rupees. Yes, 150 is the highest market value per share on 0% payout, that is nil payout. For growth firm, optimum payout is 0 payout, that is nil payout. Okay, so see the procedure that we seen in the previous video. See the procedure to find out the growth firm. For growth firm, R is greater than K. Okay, look at the problem. Here for A Limited, R is 15%, K is 10%. So R is greater than K. So for this particular growth firm, optimum payout is nil. Okay, so according to the procedure, we have got the optimum payout for A Limited, that is growth firm. In the same way, we are going to calculate the market value per share for second company, that is B Limited. See the problem for B Limited. R is 10%, K is 10%, earning per share is 10 rupees. Okay. With this information, they are asking you to find out the value of equity share, okay, under 4 different options: 30%, 60%, 0% and 100%. Okay. Here they have given R, K, E. So, we need to calculate D. Okay. For D, what is the procedure? 30% on earning per share and 60% on 10 rupees, 0% on 10 rupees, 100% on 10 rupees. Okay. Now, see the solution. See the solution for B Limited. Okay. First, we need to calculate D for 4 different options. Okay. So, 30% payout, no. So, earning per share is 10 rupees. So, 10 rupees into 30%, 3 rupees. Second option, 60 rupees. So, 6 rupees. And third option, 0%. So, 0. And the last one is 100%. So, same value, 10 rupees. So, after finding the D value, then we need to simply substitute the formula to find out market value per share according to 4 different options. Okay. So, here we have got 100 rupees as market value per share for all the 4 different options. Okay. So, this firm is normal firm. So, what is the procedure for normal firm that we have seen in the previous video? See the procedure. What is normal firm? Normal firm means R is equal to K, that is rate of return is equal to cost of capital. See the problem. For B Limited, R is 10%, K also 10%. Both are equal. So, that for normal firm, the optimum payout ratio is irrelevant. Whatever may be the payout ratio, okay, we are going to get the similar market value per share. So, that optimum payout ratio is not applicable for normal firm. Okay. Now, let us see the third option, that is C Limited. For C Limited, R is 8%, K is 10%, E is 10 rupees. Okay. With this, we are going to calculate value of equity share, okay, under 4 different options: 30, 60, 0 and 100. Now, see the solution. See the solution for C Limited. First, we need to find out D and then substitute the formula to find out the market value per share. For 30% payout, the market value per share is 86 rupees. For 60% payout, 92 rupees. For 0% payout, 80 rupees. For 100% payout, 100 rupees. Now, find out the maximum market value per share. So, which one is highest value? 100 is the highest value, okay, on 100% payout. So, this firm is a declining firm. For declining firm, the maximum payout is 100% payout, okay. See the procedure. Declining firm is R is less than K. Look at the problem. R is 8%, K is 10%. So, R is lesser than K. So, this firm is a declining firm. For declining firm, the optimum payout ratio is 100%. Okay. See the solution. See, for C Limited, the optimum payout is 100%. Since it is declining firm, the optimum payout is 100%. Then they will be getting maximum market value per share. Okay. So, this is the way to find out the market value per share for 3 different firms. The first one is growth firm, the second one is normal firm and the third one is declining firm. Okay. So, this is the way to calculate market value per share by using Walter's model. In the next video, we will see Gordon's model. You can find the links in the description box. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.